Hello, dear students. Good morning. I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. In this COVID situation, from Dr. Abul Hussain College, we are continuing our online classes, and I hope you all are viewing our all the classes. It would be somewhat helpful for you because our normal class is hampered by the COVID situation, and all the institutions all over the country have been closed for a long time. As per the direction of the government, we are taking online class from Dr. Abul Hussain College. At first, I will introduce myself. This is Habibur Rahman, Department of English, Associate Professor, and also Head of the Department. Today I will discuss with you English second paper. You know, in my last classes, I gave you some ideas and information and some rules about transformation from direct speech to indirect or indirect to direct speech. Today, I will give you some more information about narration. Okay, look at the board and see an important things for changing narration. For changing narration, person is very vital thing. You know, whether it is direct speech or indirect speech, every speech is included three persons. It may be subject, object, possessive, or reflexive. You have to change whenever you will change as per direction of the question setter. It may be direct or it may be indirect. Okay, today I am giving you some ideas about persons, which persons should be or must be changed when you will do the narration. Okay, first look at the board. English second paper question number 7. Narration, you know, in direct speech, this is the structure of a direct speech, general structure. Sometimes you will find or you may see different structures in this portion into the inverted commas. Here may be assertive sentence, interrogative, imperative, optative, or exclamatory. I have given you a structure of assertive sentence. First portion of the narration, direct narration, you will see subject, verb, object. Sometimes it may be said here after the reported speech. Okay, it is called reporting verb till the comma. Subject, verb, object. If you find in this format, you will call it you may call it reporting verb. I have written it in a bright format or abbreviation format, RV, that means reporting verb. I have written RS for reported speech. Reported speech in a short form or short form or abbreviation form, you may call it RS, that means reported speech. Okay, when you will be asked to change this speech into indirect, then if you find some persons in this, mainly first person and second persons in this portion, you must have to sense. And which persons will be replaced by which person, I am writing here about that. If you find in reporting verb first person, then you should be changed it RS এর ফার্স্ট পারসন পরিবর্তন হবে তোমার ফার্স্ট পারসন হবে এটা হবে আরভি এর RS এর ফার্স্ট পারসন পরিবর্তন হবে আরভি এর সাবজেক্ট দ্বারা, it would be replaced by RV এর সাবজেক্ট। অর্থাৎ তোমরা যদি RS এর ভিতরে এইখানটাতে ফার্স্ট পারসন দেখো, তাহলে যখন তোমরা ইনডিরেক্ট করার সময় তোমরা পরিবর্তন করবা RV এর সাবজেক্ট দ্বারা। যদি RS এর ভিতরে তোমরা সেকেন্ড পারসন পাও, তাহলে সেই বিষয়টি পরিবর্তন হবে এটা তো আরভি এর অবজেক্ট দ্বারা। Okay, now look at the board. It is clear. If you find first person in this portion, that means in reported speech, then it must be changed. First person must be changed by the subject of reporting verb. If you find second person, then it must be changed by the object of reporting verb. Clear? Okay. For this, you must have to know about the person. Which person is you will find in which form, and which form is used by which another form. Then you can get help from this chart. Now I am describing this chart. Okay, look at the board. First person subject, object, possessive and reflexive. In first person singular format, subject you may find I. When it is object, it is me. In possessive form my, and a reflexive format you will find myself. Likewise, we, us, ourselves. Second person singular and plural format. Though the word looks same, but sometimes it is used in singular format, sometimes it is used plural format. When it is singular, then you may call subject format you, in object you, possessive your, and reflexive yourself. When it is plural, it is also same. You, your, and yourselves. Then third person, you have to know it in narration or speech changing. Third person never be changed. থার্ড পারসন কখনো পরিবর্তন হয় না, এটা যে রূপে থাকে সেই রূপেই ব্যবহার করতে হয়। শুধু ফার্স্ট পারসন এবং সেকেন্ড পারসন আরএসের ভিতরে থাকলে সেটাই পরিবর্তন করতে হয়। এই পরিবর্তনগুলো কিভাবে কাজে লাগে আমরা একটা এক্সাম্পলের এটা দেখে এক্সাম্পল দিয়ে ওকে। He said to me, I am calling you. Okay, it is a direct speech. Now I will change it into indirect speech. First you have to use, in my last classes I had given you the indirect structure. According that those structure, now I am writing he said to me that. Now I will change person. This is first person. It would be changed by the subject. So now I will write this subject here. It is in a subjective form, so it must be subjective form. He. Then you have to look at the tense. In which tense in this sentence has been used. This sentence is present continuous sentence. So it must be changed into past continuous. So here past continuous tense was, he was calling. Here is another person, second person. I have told you, second person must be changed by RV's object. So it would be changed by this. It is here, it is in a objective format. So it must be objective. It is also objective form here. So here would be used me. Okay, in this way, the person must be changed. So, you have to keep in your mind about total persons format, subject form, object form, possessive form, and reflexive form. Then you can change the narration, whether it is direct or indirect. Okay? Okay. That's up today before ending the class. Now I'd like to give you some advices. You all should keep yourself safe and sound at your home because COVID situation is ramping all over the world seriously at present moment. We are facing second phase of the heat of the COVID-19. Before going out home, you must take your mask and wear mask. And after a few minutes, you must have to wash your hands by any soap or detergent. Another thing you should keep in your mind in this situation, our institutions has been closed and we don't know how much time it would be longer. Before becoming the normal situation, you must be careful about yourself, about your family, and never go out unnecessary of your home. And another important thing, drug addiction. It's a very dangerous thing for the for our country and also for the world. Drug addiction, this is very critical situation. It is increasing day by day all over the country. It is another fatal attraction for the human nation, like corona. So you all should abstain yourself from drugs and try to avoid addicted people. Stay home, and save your family. Thank you very much. See you again. Allah Hafiz.